you'll always be depressed. You need to live in the moment. That's all it is. You need to live in the moment. Umar Khayyam once said that all you have in life is the moment. Nothing else exists. There's nothing else. And last of all, before I close, because I know the time is very short, when you want to form a team, make sure that you include 4 different types of people. And the 4 different types of people are people who are basically have different geniuses. There are 4 basic geniuses. And the first one is idea smart. You can be idea smart. You can be work smart. You can be data smart. And you can be relationship smart. You need to get all these different kind of people into your team. And of course, when you get people into your team, you know what? I have found that each one have their own perceptions. And perceptions cause great trouble. Great trouble, and so you need to have tolerance to go through with this. I'm going to give you 3 things as I can, and I want you to put these 3 things down as you write it. Number 1, if you want to set your mind on positive, 3 things you have to do. 3 things, very simple. Number 1, write down 3 things that you are grateful for every day. Number 1, just write 3 things that you are grateful for every day for 21 days. Number 2, write out 1 positive expression, every 1 positive experience you have every day. That's the second thing. And number 3, do 3 kind acts of kindness every day for 21 days. So I'm giving them to simply 3 things to do. Number 1, write down 3 things that you are grateful for every day. Number 2, write down 1 positive experience you've had every day, and 3 acts of kindness every day. This will tune you into positive. This will release the dopamine in your system, and you will become happy and will work more intelligently. Thank you so much for the.
We're very honored and pleased to have you here today. कि आप कुछ आप कुछ सीख सकें और आप लोगों के अंदर जो छुपा हुआ लीडर है वो सामने है और पाकिस्तान के लिए कुछ कर सकें। आप सबने देखा होगा कि अली मोहम्मद साहब पाकिस्तान के एक साहब जब भी देखा उनको ट्रेन करते होंगे जनरल अब्दुल कलाम साहब नूरी को, लेकिन उनके अंदर एक ही जज्बा है, वो पाकिस्तान के लिए चाहे जो भी है, जैसे भी हम जिस पार्टी से भी ताल्लुक रखें, लेकिन हमारे अंदर जो रश बसा हुआ है वो हमारा अपना मुल्क है, हमारा अपना वतन है, जिसके लिए हमें बहुत कुछ करना है। आप लोग जिस पार्टी को भी ज्वाइन करें, लेकिन ये याद रखें कि इस वतन के ऊपर आप लोग अपने वतन के लिए कुछ करना है, उनकी कोई खिदमत है वो आप लोगों ने देना है। तो इन जैसे लीडर्स को आपके सामने लेकर आना, इनको आपके सामने खड़ा रखना, सिर्फ इन लिए कि जमीन छोड़ने का एक वसीम का की वैल्यूज बढ़ जाएगी, इन लीडर से कुछ सीखना है, इन लीडर्स जैसे बनना है। हम सब अपकमिंग लीडर है कि अभी आना है हमने, लेकिन ये बहुत एक्सपीरियंस लीडर है जो अपने वतन के लिए बहुत कुछ कर चुके हैं। बाकी गेस्ट स्पीकर जो है वो बात करेंगे, हमारे गेस्ट स्पीकर हैं आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट सेनेटर जनरल अब्दुल कलाम साहब, शौकत यूसुफ साहब और KhYbEr साहब कि आप लोग ऑफिस तशरीफ लेकर चले जाएं, थोड़ा सा रिक्वेस्ट होगी। जैसे हमारे गेस्ट स्पीकर बातचीत करते हैं अपनी ग्रुप के साथ, उसके बाद मैं आपको कॉल कर देंगे, आप अपनी बात के मामलों को समझें।
That we will not serve, we will not put food, we will not iron our clothes, we will not be available for supporting. And within months, Eritrea became a land of peace, and then started prospering. And now you remember that many of us are now quoting Ethiopia and these areas as role models for something new, ideas and in the presentation there was reference to the Women Protection Bill. Yes, we have serious reservations about the Women Protection Bill. We are very supportive of the rights of the women. There is a bill for family life destruction. when you subject your husband to a ring around his wrist and being watched by the digits and media, then when the situation has been taken to this level, when Maulana Shirani was the chairman, but this was the recommendation, that we resort to the method which Quran has told us, that if there is problem, then the elders of the wife and the elders of the husband should come in and should try to resolve the issue within the family. Instead of taking it to the press, instead of taking it to the courts, instead of allowing other people, aliens, to interfere into the affairs of your privacy.
We all have incredible potential to use. We all have. But today, rare beautiful is the very reason of existence of Mr. Lemon Joe Potter, a master trainer, motivational speaker, and behavior modification specialist is all we need right now. With a big round of applause, I would like to welcome Mr. Lemon Joe Potter. Mr. Lemon Joe Potter has joined us from USA through Skype. Thank you so much, Mr. Lam, for joining us. You need to speak a bit louder, sir.
All right, can you hear me? Welcome each one of you, those who are faculty, and we want to welcome you this evening. I want to talk about something about daring to lead, and that's what the topic is. It's actually all about the most high-tech, most powerful, most advanced machine upon this whole earth. Your mind can perform an estimated 6,000 trillion operations per second without you even knowing it. There's no supercomputer in the world that can do this for you. Your mind is the powerhouse of who you are. But you need to remember that your mind is a garden. And what do we do in a garden? We sow seeds. And our mind can speak and sow the positive. However, sow negative seeds, then negative things will appear in your life. So one of the first things that you want to do, you have a positive mindset. Joy means produce two things in your body. Number one, it produces happiness. And many of us are striving for happiness. But we are still hearing from science today that if you are tuned positive and you talk positive and you speak positive and you think positive, you can have happiness. That's the first thing. The second thing that you need to remember is that when we are tuned to positive, all the learning centers in our brain become affected. And because all the learning systems are open and you receive different types of information, and you are able to see the world in a different way. If you want to change yourself, you need to change the way you think. You need to see, what did I do? I connected myself with those people who were already great in this field. And because I connected with them, I talked to them, I learned from them, I interact with them. That's what caused me to increase my speed of being able to learn and to do what I wanted to do. So you need to target those people that are in your world and over again. You need to, no matter what happens, I don't know how many of y'all know this, but I'm in a wheelchair. And I've been in a wheelchair for over 50 years. But I learned one thing. People look at me disabled. but I look at myself differently. People look at me, you know, that I am at a disadvantage. I only see my advantages. People look at my disabilities. I look at my abilities. Still who I am, and I know who I am. Failure cannot stop me from reaching my goal. Be responsible. We need to accept.
Thank you so much, Mr. Ibrahim. The crux of the entire speech was that positivity leads to productive behavior. You need to feel positive, be the positive people around you, have that positive energy and aura around you to do the best things in your life. I'm really thankful to our chief guest, Mr. Engineer Ali Muhammad Khan Advocate, who is Minister of State for Parliamentary Affairs and in charge of Human Rights in Islamabad. He is one of the most important members of our collective government. You all are aware of the brutal event that has happened in Jalsada. Apparently, Muhammad Araz Khan has been killed brutally. Mr. Engineer Ali Muhammad Khan needs to go there to address the entire situation. I would like to call Mr. Engineer Ali Muhammad Khan to please come over to the stage and have a few words, and then we would like to present a story.
Probably second last voice writer on बैठने से पहले, I forgot his name. I don't know, I don't remember. Maybe आप अभी रिसेंट में आपको बताऊंगा. अच्छा, I कुछ नहीं बोलता. जब साहब ये बड़ी नजर है, मैं उसका फिर विजुअलाइज करता हूँ. I कुछ नहीं बोलते, खामोश रहते हैं. अच्छा, on बैठन में जो भी voice writer वर्क कर, लेकिन it was in the first half of 1940s, 47 से पहले का जमाना और 40 के बाद का, उसके बीच में वो उसको